Yes, there are some flowers which will also cheat, and there are some insects which also cheat. And that we'll study in organisms and population. So the point of discussion is not that over here. Here we have understood how the plants are showing adaptations to favor their particular type of pollinating agency. Now, in self pollination and cross pollination, there are both advantages as well as disadvantages. In self pollination, it ensures a confirmed seed setting कि नया प्लांट आएगा ही आएगा, प्योर लाइंस फॉर्म होंगे। और उसका ड्रॉबैक ये है कि उससे नया वेरिएशंस नहीं आए। So if you want new variations, a better hybrid vigor, then the preferred pollination will be cross pollination. क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन का ड्रॉबैक ये है कि अनवांटेड वेरिएशंस भी आ सकते हैं। क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन का ड्रॉबैक ये भी है कि कभी कभी पॉलिनेशन फेल भी हो सकता है और उसके कारण जो है नया सीड फॉर्मेशन वगैरह नहीं होगा। बट इसके एडवांटेजेस जो होते हैं दे आर आउटवे द डिसएडवांटेजेस। सो मेनी पॉलिनेटिंग एजेंसीज, मेनी फ्लावर्स रादर, they prefer the method of cross pollination. Okay, now we'll talk about first of some plants which are or which have developed certain devices, or you can say rather adaptations, which will promote self pollination. और सेल्फ पॉलिनेशन में कैसे इनब्रीडिंग होता है, वही जीनोटाइप के अंदर फर्टिलाइजेशन हो रहा है। इसलिए all those adaptations which favor self pollination are called inbreeding devices, and those which favor cross pollination are called as outbreeding devices. So, inbreeding devices, they are the ones who favor self pollination, and outbreeding devices favors cross pollination. Let us see the example of these plants: Camelina, Viola, and Oxalis. Oxalis, which is also called as the common pansy, it produces two types of flowers: Cleistogamous flowers and Chasmogamous flowers. Chasmogamous flowers are your normal flowers, so it is not an inbreeding device. Cleistogamous flowers are special flowers, which is the inbreeding device because these flowers are mostly subterranean, under the soil, and they never open. They are bisexual, so it ensures autogamy. And there is always self pollination with assured seed production. So, Comulina, Viola, Oxalis, they ensure both self as well as cross pollination. It's like getting the best of both the worlds. Cleistogamy assures that your species continues. Chasmogamy tries to bring about new variations. The different outbreeding devices and the best among outbreeding devices are those which prefer cross pollination. And the best among the outbreeding device, among all that we're going to discuss, is dye cleaning. where the flowers are unisexual. Sometimes the plant can be unisexual. So this ensures that it always has to go for cross pollination. Like in the case of papaya, date, palm, there is unisexual plants having either male flowers or female flowers. So you have a male papaya plant and a female papaya plant growing in the vicinity of each other. So they'll always have to go for cross pollination, never for self pollination, because they are diclynous, that is unisexual, either staminate or pistillate condition. Now, there is a possibility that the flower is bisexual, having both anther as well as the carpel, but the time of maturity of the anther and the stigma is different, and that is called dichogamy. Dichogamy, two different types of two different times of maturation. So it has got a type called protandry and protogyny. In the case of protandry, the male matures first. In the case of protogyny, the female matures first, with the examples of sunflower and ficus species respectively. Chasmogamous, normally exposed or anthesis flowers, we have already seen. Then there is a condition called heterostyle, जहाँ पे स्टिग्मा और स्टेमन का पोजिशन ही अलग है. जैसे ये एक पर्टिकुलर फ्लावर है, इसके पास लॉन्ग फिलामेंट है, शॉर्ट स्टाइल है, और उसके बाजू में दूसरा फ्लावर है जिसका कंडीशन अपोजिट है. दिस विल फेवर क्रॉस पॉलिनेशन एज कंपेयर्ड टू self. Now, there's a genetic mechanism which is called self incompatibility or self sterility, जहाँ पे the stigma does not allow the pollen grain of its own type to germinate. It is seen in plants like tobacco. So even though the plant is bisexual, but it still favors cross pollination rather than going for self pollination.